Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm wanting to come here and give you guys a mini haul on what I got for my little girl Candy from our friends in the Coton de Tulear Gathering 2019 in Florida. So let's get started with the mini haul. She's Candy, my Coton de Tulear. She has 6 years old and she's very excited to open her goodies. Okay guys, the first goodie is this. So let's remove the ribbon from the bag. It's a little sheep and she's so cute and soft. Oh, and also has a cookie inside the bag. And my friend told me it's a vegetarian cookie. So I'm happy. But let me take just a little piece of the big cookie to give it to my dog. Wow, Candy like it. Thank you so much for the little sheep and for this big cookie. And the second goodie is this. From her friends Gracie and Audrey. So let's open it. Oh my god, it's a ball and it sounds wow, very loud. If you notice, Candy is very excited because inside the bag we have cookies. Oh, look at these alphabet cookies, guys. They are so cute. And wow, Candy love it. And right here we got a bully stick. Oh, thank you so much. Candy loves the bully sticks, but I never buy it for her. Poor my girl. I'm trying to split a piece of the bully stick, but it was impossible. So I'm going to give the whole piece to Candy, but I think it's better give the bully stick to my girl later because we almost done with the video. Yeah, so let me take it. And the third goodie is this. Hold on one second. Candy still's crazy for a bully stick. Sorry. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, look at the bear. He's so cute and soft. I really love it. The colors are perfect for my princess. Thank you so much. If you see guys, Candy is so happy with everything. My friends, thank you so much. I really appreciate your love and these goodies to my girl. So now it's time to give the bully stick to Candy. Yay! She said bye-bye guys. Please don't forget follow me on my social media, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notifications and thumbs up. Now I'm going to show you just a little bit of the gathering that we had last weekend. I decided don't record the party as the past years because I really wanted to enjoy the whole party this time. So I have copied videos and photos from my social media to this video. And I hope you like it because I made it with all of my heart. And remember, we have recipes for you every Wednesdays and videos with Candy every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye-bye.